Hmm. In the words of DJ Khaled, another one. Yep, another soup recipe that's easy to prepare, nutritious, and delicious. We're doing a roasted carrot soup with fresh ginger and fresh turmeric. Getting straight into it, we have 4 carrots peeled, 3 onions cut in half, and 1 head of garlic. Drizzle with olive oil and season the carrots and the onion with salt and black pepper. Place in a preheated oven at 400 degrees and allow it to roast for 25 to 30 minutes. Once they're finished roasting, you want to place them in a blender. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger paste and made this using a mortar and pestle. 1 teaspoon of fresh turmeric paste. Now if you don't have fresh turmeric, you could use saffron powder or turmeric powder. You want to add 2 cups of water and blend until smooth. Transfer the mixture to a pot. You want to add 1 cup of coconut milk and allow it to simmer on medium heat for 10 minutes. Simple and delicious, and based on the ingredients that we use, I'm pretty sure that this soup could for curing or helping with some kind of ailment, but I am neither a doctor nor a nutritionist, so I can't help you with that kind of information. What I could tell you is that it is very delicious, so you should try it just based on that fact. Of course, the full recipe will be posted on eatahfoodtt.com, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.